Yo, what's up guys? My name is Frostbite and welcome to Frostbite Vlogging. And I'm here at the Tinoyaan Falls. This is not the exact location, so hope you like the video. Yo, this is awesome. This is my second time in here. Yeah. Okay, as you can see, I'm on the front. This is not the exact location. Yeah. Okay, my camera is on again. Okay, so that I'm on the bridge. Yeah, so hope you like my video because this is not what's look like in my video. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Okay, my flash is on. Okay, so hope you will like my video because this video will be, I think, will be 2 minutes plus. Yeah, boy. So this is my second time here, but my first time here. Third time. This is my third time in here. So I'm gonna go to that. Yeah. I'm very wet in here. It's look like a raindrops, man. The water in the falls are evaporate and goes to there, man. If you want to see it, go in here. Oh, look at that. Weeds. So I'm gonna U-turn in there so you can see the falls. Yeah. So yeah. Nigger. Okay. Oh, my past video looks like H1Z1, like they played some that, because of hope you like to play that because it's look like H1Z1. Yeah, that's the on Earth. I want you to play that, to play with me. Yeah, boy. So I'm going here. I think I'll be wet because this water is glassing me. Yeah, boy. So there's my brother. Naka-red siya. Not naka-jacket. T-shirt only. See that? Yeah. Yeah, boy. Okay, so this is my little video. Hope you like it. Like and subscribe. Bye.